And we're back for more at getting better at things. Today I'm going to show you how to merge queries. That means I have data in one Excel file, I have data in another Excel file, and I want to bring them together into one file. In this case, the employee ID can be linked to an employee ID in another file. Now, in this case, I also notice that the employee ID is not formatted correctly. Only the first set of numbers really is useful to me. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to split the column by a delimiter. In this case, the delimiter is a space. There, space, and I confirm with OK. So now I have the actual employee ID and a secondary key. Right. Now let's let's link our data. I also notice that it changed the type. I don't want that. I want the type of this particular column to be text. I'm going to get a new query, so a new source from file, from Excel, and that one is going to contain a fake work percentage. File is located on my computer somewhere, but it could be anywhere on your company network. You can then link to it. And if the file gets updated, you get the newer data, of course. So there is our employee work percentage sheet. We have the data right here, and we have an employee ID and some kind of key with the work percentage behind it. I confirm with OK. So this is our work percentage. I'm going to give the query a name. And we want to split off the work percentage, so I'm going to do add column from example from selection. Let me type 1 there. And I notice that it doesn't continue all the way down, so I'm going to do that again for this one there. And now PowerQuery has detected what I really want. I want to retrieve anything after the first two characters. That's fine. I'm going to call that FTE. I confirm with OK. We don't really need the work percentage column anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. I also notice that it automatically detected the type. I don't really want that. But I'm going to set the type of the employee ID manually to be text. It has to match the other one, obviously. So on my other sheet with my employee data, I can now link the data to the employee ID. I'm going to merge the query. I might do as new, so we have a new file there. I'm going to select the work percentage and I select employee ID in both cases. It's going to be a left outer join. So if there is no FTE matching, it will just show an empty. Confirm with OK. And we have our table at the end, which we can expand. Confirm with OK. And we now have the work percentage in our Excel document. We can, of course, convert that one to a decimal number. There. Close and load to. I'm just going to create a connection. But because this one is already being loaded, yeah, let me just take the merge. I'm going to choose load to. I put it in a table on a new worksheet. And there we have the data, including the calculated value, right? Fun. I hope you enjoyed that. More PowerQuery coming up. And cheers.